I want somebody to tell me it's going to be hard. I want somebody to tell me that, hey, but it's worth it. I don't want nobody to tell me that, hey, it's going to be easy. And a lot of other places told me that. And I walked in the front door and I walked right back out. Because I was always taught that anything that comes easy ain't worth having. I was taught that you have to work hard for what you get out of life. And if something ain't going right, look in the mirror. Don't point fingers. Don't blame nobody else. Blame yourself. Fix inside, because if you fix you, everything else will be fixed. For things to change, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to get better. That's the principles that I was raised on. That's what I've learned. And I heard the same thing in Primerica.